Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Samsung not connecting to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on Wi-Fi. Sorry, turn off Wi-Fi and turn on. Turn on or turn off Wi-Fi 1 to 3 times. You will see, click on done, your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side button and volume down button and restart phone from here. Tap on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not connecting to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.